Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 17th of October. Yellen strikes a balanced tone but makes no reference to December. Fed Chair Janet Yellen maintained a balanced tone in her latest speech on Friday without directly addressing the likelihood for a December rate hike. Yellen argued that running the US economy hot for a period could provide benefits such as attracting discouraged workers back to the labor market. While these remarks would normally be considered dovish as they imply that the Fed funds rate could remain lower for longer, the Fed chair went to cite the risks associated with ultra-accommodative monetary policy. She said that if maintained for too long, such policies could have costs that exceed the benefits by increasing financial stability risks. Overall, her comments revealed little new information, and as such, the dollar's reaction remained limited. Attention now shifts to Fed Vice Chair Stanley Fischer, who will speak today before the Economic Club of New York on the subject of low interest rates. Given that Yellen refrained from commenting on the next rate hike, market participants may scrutinize Fischer's words in order to get more information with regards to when the committee plans to act next. As for today, during the European day, the economic calendar is almost empty. The only noteworthy indicator we get is Eurozone's final CPI for September, which is expected to confirm the preliminary estimate. Thus, the reaction in the euro may remain limited unless there is a major revision. In the US, the Empire State Manufacturing Index for October and industrial production for September are due out. Expectations are for a rebound in both indicators. Even though neither of these is usually a major market mover, in such a light calendar day, possible improvement in this data could add some fuel to the USD rally. Besides Fed Vice Chair Fischer, we have two more speakers scheduled for today: ECB President Mario Draghi and ECB Executive Board member Yves Mersch. As for the rest of the week, on Tuesday we get New Zealand's CPI for the third quarter. The forecast is for a slowdown, which could heighten further expectations for a November rate cut by the RBNZ. We also get CPI data for September from both the UK and the US. On Wednesday, the Bank of Canada will announce its monetary policy decision, and expectations are for the bank to take the sidelines once again. Given the mixed data since the last policy meeting, we share that view and expect officials to maintain their dovish stance. In China, GDP data for the third quarter are coming out alongside the nation's industrial production, fixed asset investment and retail sales, all for September. In the UK, the employment data for August are released. On Thursday, during the Asian morning, the two US presidential candidates will face off in the third and final debate. Later, during the European day, the highlight will be the ECB rate decision. The focus of this meeting will probably fall on Draghi's press conference and the Q&A session, especially following the recent Bloomberg report on QE tapering. In the UK, retail sales for September are coming out. Finally, on Friday, we get Canada's CPI data for September. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.